tie all the bales we use for bale grazing with sisal twine. It's biodegradable, and we don't cut strings or anything. We just turn them out, and then next spring or next summer when you're haying, you hardly even see any little pieces of twine. And so we just do that so we don't have to cut net wrap or cut plastic twine and pick it up. The majority of these bales, this is a hay field we're on, and so as the bales come out of the baler, that's where they sit, and we just fence accordingly. We don't set up a grid or anything. We just hay the field and then put the electric fence up. I come in the fall before the ground is froze up, and I put in all my fence posts. We just use step-in temporary fence posts, and so I'll come put all them in. So then, you know, in January or whenever we're using it, all I got to do is string the hot wire, and then we'll come back in the spring and pick up posts. We have got where it didn't have enough posts to do the whole thing, or the first couple years just didn't get it done, and I've drilled lots of holes with just a cordless drill and a masonry bit and stabbed the post in, and we've got along fine with that. It's just, if you got the material, it's handier to have the posts in the ground for us before we start bale grazing. We use metal posts. Plastic posts, those cows, you know, when it's 20 below and you got cows going back to where they've grazed, they'll rub and they'll bust those plastic posts off. So we've pretty much gone to just using metal step-in posts for bale grazing. We're using galvanized aircraft cable, and I got a drill that we wind the cable up with, so it really doesn't take much time. But we're not that far into it, but I've heard, you know, there's guys that are giving them a month's worth of hay at a time. We're in that 3-4 days to a week, just because I can handle the labor of a 4-day, week-long move. It works for us at that level, I guess.